Pollock Lifts Repair, Servicing and Maintenance. Pollock Lifts has for more than 3 decades been successfully designing and manufacturing lifts in the UK. The business is still independently owned. They offer a top-quality product range from home lifts, home elevators, through floor lifts and platform lifts. Their designs prioritize safety and product reliability, as demonstrated by their certifications and accreditations and conformity to British safety standards. Our service response time. If something is wrong with your Pollock platform and accessibility lift, you can always contact us for service support. Our cross-Europe network and in-house team of engineers and technicians have many years of experience. Our knowledge and experience mean a lot to our customers. We understand the importance of keeping your lifts in service, especially those providing accessibility. We pride ourselves on our response times. We answer your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We will assist you in the event of an unexpected lift failure with initial phone consultation, directly with a trained technician, and always aim to follow through with a same-day visit to fix the problem and have your lift back in service in the quickest possible time. Service agreement. When you buy a lift from any manufacturer, we always advise to get a service agreement with an experienced and professional service company. We offer several simple-to-understand client-focused agreements with different service levels to meet all types of needs. Common to all service contracts is that they guarantee reliability and extend the lifetime of your lift. Servicing your elevator regularly is integral to long equipment lifetime and trouble-free operation. Are you interested in a service agreement? Contact us and we'll tell you more. Spare parts. As we specialize in platform lift servicing across many global lift brands including Pollock. Our well-established network provides immediate access to all Pollock platform and accessibility lift spare parts, keeping response times fast, and resulting lift downtimes low.